Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And this video I am going to be sharing with you some tips on how to plant and grow a chili plant at home. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner gardener, growing chili plants can be a fun and rewarding experience. So let's get started. Choosing the right variety. The first step is growing a chili plant is to choose the right variety. There are many different types of chilies available, and each one has its own unique flavor and heat level. So, before you start planting, think about what kind of chilies you want to grow. Preparing the soil. Once you have chosen your chili variety, it's time to prepare the soil. Chilies thrive in well-drained soil that is rich in nutrients. If your soil is heavy or clay-like, add some compost or sand to help improve drain. You can also add some fertilizer to the soil to give your plants a head start. Planting the seeds. Now it's time to plant your chili seeds. Start by filling a small pot with soil and then plant one of two seeds in the center of the pot. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and then water them gently. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Providing the right conditions. Chili plants needs plenty of sunlight and warmth to grow. Make sure your plants get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day and keep them in a warm, sheltered spot. You may also want to cover your plants with a cloth of plastic bag to create a warm, humid environment. Caring for your plants. As your chili plants start to grow, they will need regular care and attention. Make sure to water them regularly, but be careful not to overwater. You may also want to feed your plants with a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks to keep them healthy and strong. Harvesting your chilies. Finally, it's time to harvest your chilies. Most chili plants will start producing fruit after about 2 to 3 months. When your chilies are fully grown, simply cut them off the plant with a pair of scissors. You can then use them fresh, dry them for later use, or even make your own hot sauce. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful for growing your own chili plants at home. If you have any question or tips of your own, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.